Toyota changed the automotive world when it debuted Prius over 25 years ago, immediately defining what a modern hybrid can and should be. And for 2023, Prius is shaking things up again with an all-new 5th generation that sports a distinctive, sleek new appearance. Toyota's latest hybrid technology under the hood, and cutting-edge technology and safety features throughout. Divided into 3 grades, LE, XLE, and Limited, and offering available all-wheel drive across the entire lineup, Prius is ready to once again lead the hybrid charge. For 2023, Prius hits the stage with a refined and sporty new silhouette. This new look features a reconfigured roof peak that's been moved to the back for a more flowing form, while the front is tied together with a hammerhead design that's accentuated with standard LED lighting across the lineup. Up top, an available fixed glass roof makes a statement on XLE, while Limited sees this feature included standard. And along the side, eye-catching 17-inch wheels come standard on LE grades, while unique 19-inch alloy wheels bring even more visual presence to XLE and Limited. It's not just design details though. Prius's proportions have changed too. To create a lower and wider stance, the overall height has been lowered by nearly 2 inches, while the overall width and length have both been increased by 1 inch. On the inside, Prius offers an inviting space with a clean, futuristic design language, not to mention comfort and convenience from corner to corner. Take the instrument panel, for instance, which helps keep drivers focused on the essentials through a standard 7-inch multi-information display. Or the soft-text-trimmed heated front seats and steering wheel standard on XLE and Limited, which help deliver a more comfortable ride when the weather outside is less than ideal. And make no mistake, Prius's sleek new shape isn't just for turning heads on the outside, but also smart packaging on the inside. Case in point, an EPA estimated passenger volume of 91.2 cubic feet and an EPA estimated cargo volume of up to 23.8 cubic feet behind the standard 60-40 split rear seats. All told, plenty of comfort and room for a weekend adventure or shopping trip. As expected, this new generation arrives with the amazing efficiency that the Prius name is known for. But the bigger story is its newfound performance character, which comes in large part thanks to Toyota's new 5th generation hybrid system with up to a combined 196 net horsepower that delivers immediate and exciting response unlike any Prius before. At the heart of this impressive setup is a lithium-ion battery pack that's designed for more output than the nickel-metal battery found on previous Prius generations, while also being lighter and more compact too. This huge bump in power is a perfect match for the latest chassis, a more rigid, more lightweight 2nd generation TNGA-C platform. When all of this is brought together, Prius helps convey a one-with-the-vehicle driving experience. That said, this is still a Prius, and so these playful road manners are matched with incredible practicality and efficiency. In fact, front-wheel drive models have an EPA estimated rating of up to 57 mpg combined. And this efficiency extends to all-wheel drive models as well, which have up to an EPA estimated rating of 54 mpg combined, along with the added capability to trek through more unpredictable conditions. Of course, Prius doesn't just lead with looks and comfort. Inside its spacious cabin is a huge array of smart tech and convenience. This starts with a standard 8-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen. XLE has the option to bump this touchscreen up to an impressive 12.3 inches, while Limited includes this upgraded feature standard. In either case, drivers can tap into the latest generation Toyota Audio Multimedia that includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to subscription-based services like Apple Music, as well as Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And to make the most of all that tech, Limited features a standard JBL premium audio system with 8 speakers. Prius is also designed to work seamlessly with Toyota's connected services, including trials on select grades for Remote Connect, Safety Connect, Service Connect, an enhanced Wi-Fi Connect with integrated streaming capability, and the available Drive Connect, which offers cloud navigation, destination assist, and intelligent assistant functionality. Plus, the available digital key feature in the Toyota app lets drivers use their mobile devices to open and start the vehicle, just like a key fob. And speaking of smartphones, available Qi-compatible wireless charging ensures there's always power to spare, as do a whopping 6 USB ports throughout the cabin. Now add in a blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert system that's standard across the lineup, and it's easy to see how Prius's great technology makes the drive easier for everyone on board. For 2023, the entire Prius lineup features Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a standard safety suite that takes the TSS platform to an even higher level, enhancing systems like its pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and the new proactive driving assist. And naturally, Prius also features Toyota's signature Star safety system and 10 airbags throughout the cabin for peace of mind. Considering the legacy it's built over the years, it should come as no surprise that Prius plans to set the standard once again for 2023. Add in advanced safety and convenience upgrades, and that every Toyota includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, along with enhanced 3-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance, as well as exceptional hybrid warranty coverage like the 10-year 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. And there's no doubt that Prius will continue to raise the bar higher and higher for the hybrid segment for a whole new generation. Learn more today at toyota.com/Prius.